y'all, your girl Shay is back, and yes, you heard it. We are at the North Carolina all-female ride. I'm also going to give y'all a sneak peek of what I've been up to these last couple of weeks, so let's go ahead and get into it. Let's ride.
I'll be on my way now. You just give me a...
So my sisters and I are on the way to Fort Bragg, Harley Davidson, where the event was held. We volunteered for this event. You know, we wanted to support the committee and, you know, have this event run smoothly. We were tasked with the best part of the event. We was tasked with parking, so I got a chance to see a lot of the ladies come through. So let's go ahead and check it out, y'all. There were also vendors out there, and I want to shout out one in particular.
All right, y'all, so we got the CEO and the founder of HOT. Go ahead and tell us about yourself, Casey.
I'm Casey. I go by Breakaway. I'm from Detroit, Michigan, but I now live in Dallas. So this company started in Dallas, Texas in 2020, which is what this represents. First off, make sure y'all go to the website, heels1shoes.com. We are a female motorcycle clothing line. We represent women. Diversity is one of the biggest things we stand on. Three-wheelers, two-wheelers, we got a lane for you. So we go by heels on twos, heels on threes. A lot of times you'll hear us say HOT because that's our acronym for the business. So we go by HOT. So when you hear HOT, you think of heels on twos and heels on threes. We have clothes for two-wheelers, three-wheelers. Here's some of the items here. This is one of our classic items, our lace-up. I would say this got us off the map right here. We travel to a lot of events. We represent women empowerment, not just bikers though, truck drivers, basketball players, women with non-traditional roles. Thank you, baby. I don't know what else I could go on and on about HOT, but we like to support women empowerment. These ladies here, they travel from all over different states. I have about 20 ambassadors in all different states, from California, Wisconsin, Michigan, Texas, North Carolina, I don't know, Delaware, all over the place, that help to support this brand to take us to the next level. Black-owned brand, by us, for us, you know, and for everybody. Again, this is a diverse brand. I don't know what else to say. I'm gonna give it over to Shay.
Y'all heard her. Woman empowerment. Go ahead and support this woman-owned, black-owned business. Let's go. Let's ride.
also had the chance to catch the mileage bully, Shaquilla Bussey. Roll on in. If y'all don't know, y'all need to find out who she is.
It's my mama, y'all. I'm recording.
So when I say I have never seen so many bikes in my life until this day, I want to say there was about 750 women that registered to ride and be a part of this ride. Listen, y'all, this is all women on twos, on threes, doing the dang thing. We are definitely representing. So this is the first all-female ride I got to catch with my mom. If y'all look to my left shoulder, you see her creeping up, and she ended up catching up with me, so we had a chance to ride in the ride together for a little bit. That was the all-female ride in North Carolina. It was definitely a hot one, but it was a good one, you guys. The ride was everything. Everybody was safe. We ended up making it back to the Harley, but now we're about to go ahead and head home to go to my son's football game. This is his first football game of the season. So yes, I'm still on go. It's been a long day, but I'm still on go. So let's go ahead and get into it. I'm with my mama here. She rode all the way down from Virginia. Y'all see her, and we about to ride back to my house so we can watch our baby do his thing in the game today.
Still got crack. Yeah.
A few moments later.
All right, y'all. Your girl is back. I had to get refreshed. It's a hot one. Like I said, for the 15th time, I'm still hot. Right now, I'm about to head to my son's football game. And yeah, this is what I've been doing lately. I've been the team parent for the kids. So I'm at every practice, and it's not no, one practice a week. No, we're there from Monday through Thursday, and we have a game on Saturdays. So your girl been busy dealing with, the kids and being there, to show support for my son being out there. So I'm super excited to see this game. This is the first game of the season. And I'm excited for them. These boys have been putting in that work for the last couple of weeks, and I'm happy I could be there to witness it as a team parent and actually see them, improve and get better and stuff like that. So yeah.
Still got crack.
Get there, baby, get there, get there.
Yes, y'all, that's my son. That is my child.
Break down! Give me a Ric Flair! One, two, three!
That was the end of the game, you guys. They won 8-0. Them boys definitely held it down then. All right, I'm about to head home, chill for a little bit. I need to relax, get some water, get some rest. But yeah, catch y'all later. And that is all, you guys. I appreciate y'all. Please like, comment, and subscribe. Until next time, Shay on Twos is out.